Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to track saturated fat in MyFitnessPal app. So actually this app is used by the ones that want to lose weight or gain weight or even to focus in a specific diet. So for me, I have this app to just explain to you how it works. And also, I got it from the Play Store because I am a Android user. If you are an Android user, you can go into the Play Store and get the app for free from there. And also, if you are an iOS or iPhone user, you can get it from the App Store. Even you can find it on the Xiaomi store, etc. Also, guys, to get right here, you just need to launch your app and then to sign in. And after that, I want to focus on or to go to diary right here and tap on it. And right here, as you can see, guys, you will have to or you should to add some meals to your breakfast and also to the dinner, and you can add the food to lunch and also to the snacks. So to do that, you just need to go into the add food, and right here you can choose a food from the suggestions section, or even you can go to this features on the top of your screen. You can add a food by your voice, using your voice, or scan barcode, or even you can scan the meal. And this is the feature that provided by the app. It's quick add. And after you're finished of setting up your food, I want you to scroll down all the way down. You can see the nutrition right here. So just tap on it, and after that I want you right here to scroll down so you can see the saturated fat. So just tap on it, and right here you will be able to see all the analysis or the stats of the saturated fat. So this is how to track saturated fat in MyFitnessPal. Anyways, that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.